A variety of low-density polyethylene, high-density polyethylene, and linear low-density polyethylene plastic film may be blown with this single-layer film blowing machine. They are frequently used in grocery shops, home improvement stores, chemical plants, textile factories, shopping bags, and industrial packaging. Cylinder and screw of the PE film blowing machine are made of 38 CRMOL alloy by precise machining and nitriding. They are the most resistant to wear and corrosion.